What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you the best side hustle this year. This involves getting free PlayStations, Xboxes, video games, cell phones, watches, boats, 100% free, and selling them and keeping 100% of the profits. This is how you do it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
Quick disclosure, this is 100% legal in all 50 states that I know of. And this is what you need to start. You need your cell phone. That is it. And did I mention this is 100% legal? Because this ski mask is really, really hot. And also, you have no idea how excited I was to wear a ski mask on camera and not get hit by a drone. So this is one of the best side hustles you could possibly get into, if not the best side hustle to get into with no money. Start making money today. All you need is a cell phone, and a car would help as well. So you might be asking, how is it done? And I hope the thumbnail has nothing to do with the video, at least with the banks involved, okay? So this is as simple as it is. It could not get any simpler, guys. And you probably already know how to do the couple things that we're gonna talk about. You just haven't put them together. So the first step is to go to Craigslist. You're going to log in, and then you are going to scroll down to the free area. And then once you're in the free area, you're going to see a list of everybody giving away free items. Now, this is all first come, first served. This is literally stuff that you can go pick up right now, and then you turn around and anybody need a toilet? Oh my goodness gracious. And some things you should not be giving away for free, by the way. But nevertheless, look at that. A vanity, I mean, PlayStation games. No, that's not games, that's books. Who cares? You need to read anyways. Guys, there's good stuff in here. There's pages and pages and pages. They get uploaded all the time. You get furniture, you get trampolines, you get TVs. Guys, I just logged on this. You get a satellite dish, you get racks and pallets, and guys, you name it. You can literally get into the side hustle business starting now. I usually like to stick with small electronics such as, maybe a TV or smaller.
All right, and here's another page that I went to under the Austin area, and this is a free working vending machine, and here's a free Xbox One with games as well. So I opened up another tab, and at the top here I typed in vending machines on Craigslist, okay? 1,000, 5,000. We have to find one that looks like it. So here it is, right here. This one looks just like it. $3,500. Here's another one that looks like it. $4,000. Okay, here's another one. $3,500. $4,000. Guys, and if you go to the top here, it is free. It's a working vending machine. It is free. That's the kind of stuff I'm talking about.
And then at this point, you go pick them up, you bring them back, and then you clean them up, you take good pictures, and then you put them on Facebook Marketplace, or you literally repost it to Craigslist with new pictures, of course, make it look a little better than sitting in a lawn, for instance. But you'll get something, for instance, like a PlayStation 3 console that somebody just wants out of their house. It's in a box, it has some games, you turn around, you sell it for 120 bucks. You have little to nothing into it except for maybe some gas money, depending on how far you had to go, guys. This is something that can be done right now. It can be done for little to nothing, if not free. They're giving the items away for free. It's 100% profit, and there is zero excuse for you to not be taking advantage of it. Now, this is what I would do with the money, though. A lot of people say, great, I made more money. Now I can go out and buy True Religion jeans or stupid watches, or I can go on a vacation, or I can whatever. This is what you need to do with the money. You need to put it into an investment vehicle, or at least into a bank account that is going to be held to buy something like real estate. I, for instance, run my channel off of passive income through real estate and personal finance. So I would take this money, I would hustle with it, and then when you have enough money to put a down payment on a house or a rental property for that matter, that's when you start to become an investor and start making money so you can get out of the rat race sooner, all by hustling Craigslist for free. Guys, if you got any useful information or just plain enjoyment from the video, smash that like button, consider hitting subscribing, and I will see you on the next one.
Cash money, dollar bills.